web gateway site and you sign up for access, we'll grant you access to this particular interface, which is what we built out and designed as the homepage for Curator, the landing page for any user. Within this platform, which we're kind of highlighting, we're designing not just dashboards and reports, we're actually building out a full-scale application. We call them analytic applications, intelligent systems, et cetera. But the idea is to bring all of that together under one umbrella so that you actually have one platform to rule them all, essentially. So you see the icons for the various components we can bring into actually under this umbrella, and we're going to kind of go through and navigate this. So this single source of truth, all under one umbrella, is designed for the entire enterprise. Whether you're in marketing, whether you're in finance, whether you're in HR, you all have access to the data that informs how you run your business. It's one united organization, one company. The insights should be shared amongst the group, but they can also be persona-based. So if you're an executive level individual, you'll have access to executive level reports. If you're a middle manager, you'll have access to the level that's appropriate for your level in the organization. The idea is, as the business operates, they want to have insights that drive one organization forward versus having a lot of silos where this access to information is segmented, which prevents you from actually accelerating your rate of innovation, rate of improvement. So what we've done is design something that allows you to bring, or that allows companies to bring analytics reports, dashboards, et cetera, under one umbrella, leverage the best-in-class software engineering practices, as well as incorporating proprietary AI capabilities. There's a lot of talk about AI, a lot of talk about what people would like to do with it. We're trying to build it in a way that's traceable, that's grounded, that's reasoned over for a while, and then we actually get to something that is beneficial for the organization. That's what we're building with Speakeasy in collaboration with Speakeasy. That's what we're offering in this platform. So not only do you have your reports, your dashboards, you also have AI that actually gives you an advantage. We're obviously aiming to supercharge productivity, streamline workflows. When we talk about using best practices, one group is doing it, another group can benefit. Why not scale across your enterprise? Long story short, what we're focusing on is aligning teams, aligning companies so that they can have added benefit throughout the organization and really setting them up for the future of work.